This lighting fixture has been buzzing ever since we moved in, and originally it had a CFL light bulb in it, and I assumed that that was what was buzzing because a lot of times fluorescent lights buzz. And the light burned out and I replaced it. I got an adapter for the 2-pin socket and to Edison, and I put an LED bulb in there. As I turned it on, it would sort of flicker and make a loud buzzing. The noise is a little quieter here in the daytime, but it buzzes all day long, so I'm going to put my microphone next to it so you can hear it. So, you know, I looked it up, I Googled it, I'm like, okay, what would make a wire buzz? What would cause buzzing? And it said a loose wire or a ballast that's gone bad for a fluorescent light. And those were the main causes, and sometimes dimmers can make things buzz when you when you dim a light. And this doesn't have a dimmer switch, it's just an exterior light, but it does have a dawn to dusk sensor. And so I took it apart, and as I took it apart I could tell right away that it's actually the photoelectric cell that's actually causing the buzzing. So it's been doing this for years. I don't know if this is dangerous. It doesn't seem to get hot or anything, and it's been doing it for many years, but my main issue is that the lights flicker when they come on at night. For a while it didn't actually respond to the dawn to dusk sensor at all. It would just stay on during the day all the time. I looked at the type, Zing Ear 250, and so I found one online for about $12, and I ordered that, and I got the new one, and I'm going to replace it now, and hopefully that'll be the end of this buzzing, and hopefully this will help someone else, because I was prepared to buy a whole new fixture, and I almost did. A fixture like this is around $45 to $50. This particular model, this exact model, has been discontinued, but I found one that was similar enough, and I was just going to replace it. But turns out that since it's just the dawn to dusk sensor, I'm going to replace that, and we'll see how that goes. And I should mention that I am not an electrician. I'm not an expert at this, and I don't suggest people doing this unless they're qualified to do this kind of repair. You know, electricity can be dangerous, so it's important that it's done by a professional, or at least somebody who actually has some experience with this. I'm going to turn off the breaker. Lights, first floor. So we have the old sensor here, SNR 250RY. Fairly common. I was able to find it on eBay. There's a few other sites that sell them. So it's a pretty standardized part, easy to switch out from the looks of it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. Here's the new replacement. It has actually a silver colored ring here. So I'll keep the old one so that it matches the fixture. Go ahead and try it. Boom, turns on. No buzzing. It might take a second to turn off, but there it goes. Okay, well, everything's good. So just remember, if you hear some buzzing coming from your external fixture and it has one of these dawn to dusk sensors in it, that may be the reason. All right, thanks for watching.